Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a simple burger at home. Start with quality ground beef, ideally an 80% lean and 20% fat blend, for a juicy and flavorful burger. Divide the meat into 4 equal portions, about 6 ounces each. Gently form them into patties roughly 3/4 of an inch thick and 4 inches in diameter. A crucial tip is to press a small dimple in the center of each patty. This prevents the burger from puffing up into a ball while cooking, ensuring an even cook and a flat surface for toppings. Whether you're grilling outdoors or pan-frying indoors, preheat your surface to a medium-high temperature, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your seasoned patties on the hot surface. For a delicious medium-rare to medium burger, cook each side for about 3 to 5 minutes. If you love cheese, add a slice during the final minute of cooking, allowing it to melt beautifully over the hot patty. This ensures a gooey, savory addition to your burger. A great burger needs a great bun. Lightly toast your buns on the grill or in a pan for about 1 minute per side. This adds a lovely texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Now, it's time to build. Start with a fresh leaf of lettuce on the bottom bun, then add your perfectly cooked patty. Layer on ripe tomato slices and crisp onion rings. Finish with your favorite condiments, like a classic ketchup and mustard or a creamy special sauce. The beauty of a homemade burger is customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with toppings beyond the basics. Think crispy bacon, tangy pickles, caramelized onions, or savory sautéed mushrooms. You can also explore different cheeses, from sharp cheddar to creamy Swiss or spicy pepper jack. Serve your delicious creation immediately with a side of crispy fries or a refreshing salad. Enjoy the satisfaction of crafting your perfect burger at home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.